Hey guys, it's Erin, and in this video I am going to be unboxing my Boxycharm box. I haven't unboxed one of these for you guys in a long minute, but I am here with January 2018 box. So is y'all ready to unbox this? Cause I already have. Quickly, for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box where you get 5 full-size items for, alright, brain fart, but it's $21 a month, and each box always retails for over $100, and they be hooking us up with them for real brands. So I recommend it for those of you who are interested. I will have a link down below for you guys to sign up if you haven't signed up already. If you haven't signed up, I'm super surprised. I got literally all my sisters to sign up, so it's y'all's time. I did this whole face with everything but one box that came in this month's box. Yeah, so let's go. So this month's theme is Rock 2018. This is the little guide that lets you know everything that's in the box, how much each product is, and a brief but detailed description on what each product does, which is good for me because me and makeup, I don't be understanding it. So let's hop right into this. I'm gonna go over the stuff in the order that I put it on my face, starting with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer, which is this right here. This primer retails for $38. Jeez, this is my first time reading the prices, so y'all, this thing is $38. What the heck? Okay, it's already more than what the box is worth. Okay, $38. It says that this primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. And what was cool that I noticed when I was putting this on is that you can apply this to your face by itself to just get a natural glow on your skin, or you can use it underneath your makeup. Obviously I use it underneath my makeup, but I feel like I'm glowing. This stuff is like a super subtle glow, but I like it. So next is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This is in the color Universal Taupe. I started to use it on my eyebrows. It's basically the exact same color as my eyebrows, but I like my eyebrows to be dark. This brow pencil retails for $24. It says it's its #1 best-selling eyebrow pencil. It's infused with biotin. Shoot, this thing about to make my eyebrows grow. What the heck? But it does come with a spoolie on the end, and then the other end is the actual pencil. It's a pretty thick pencil, which is cool for, I don't know. It's a pretty thick pencil, period. But I didn't know it had biotin in it. It has, wait, hold up. It has biotin, lecithin. Okay, I'm only gonna name the stuff I know. Green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, vitamin A's, B5, C, and E. What the heck? That's cool. I didn't know it had all that, because I wasn't like a super big fan of this, but since it has all of that growing power, I'm gonna use this more often if it's about to nourish my eyebrows. So next is the Crown Pro Glams Metal Palette, which is this palette right here. This palette retails for $25. I really like the inside of this palette because it comes with a mirror that is shaped as a guitar. That's cute. And it says rock yo look. Like, that's so cute. It comes with 9 different shades, and they're all like pretty glammy and shimmery. They're like super New Year's-y colors. And it says that these are highly pigmented, which they are, and they're ultra blendable shadows that make a smoky eye easy to make, basically. So I did my complete eye look with the colors in here. I used Black Metal, which is super black. I used Heavy Metal, which is the shimmery bluish plummy color, and I used Glam Rock, which is like a brownie, it's like a bronzy color right there. Sadly, Pop Rock was shattered when it came, so I'm gonna do the whole alcohol trip that people do to mold their colors back into their palette. So that one kind of popped out and shattered, but it's cool. I really do love the colors in this palette though. And that's one thing I really like about Boxycharm is everything that they put in their boxes are universal and they work for all skin colors and types. So next we have this Pure Bronze and Brighten cheek palette. It has 3 different colors in it, this corally color, this goldy pearly color, and this like bronzy color. And this retails for $34. It's basically like a highlight. It says that it's an afterglow and a mineral glow, and it does work for every skin tone. I use the I use this middle one, the pearly one, in this look. So all of that highlightedness you see on my nose, on the side of my face, I did it very subtly, is all due to this middle color, but the other 2 still do show up on my skin, so that's what's up. The last thing that is in this box is this Girlatic matte lip paint, which retails for $23, which is this right here. This is a liquid lipstick that is lightweight, long wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. It says for better application to not apply a lip balm or a lip primer before application. I am not wearing this color right now. For me personally, I would have to use like a lip liner, but I don't own a lip liner because, like y'all know, I'm still pretty new to makeup stuff. But this color is super pretty, and the packaging is super cute too. But I did swatch it for you guys so that you can see how it looks. And that's everything in this box, guys. This month's box retailed for $144, so well above $100. But only $21 was put in for this box. So it's like you double 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this month's box was basically 7 times the amount of this Boxycharm box. So once again, I do really recommend you all get you a Boxycharm box if you haven't already. I am more than a fan, as you guys know. They have taught me a lot about makeup too, because I don't know a lot, and it's because of Boxycharm that my makeup skills have gotten better. Like if you guys go back and look at my first Boxycharm I've ever posted, and I tried to make a look and it was a hot mess and it wasn't cute, like compare that to now. If I can find a picture or like screenshot it, I'll put it here. But it's like a big difference from how I was putting makeup compared to now. I'm still not the bomb, but I mean I'm way better. And I think that is due to Boxycharm. But guys, that is the end of this video. Once again, if you guys want to sign up and get you a box, the link is down below in the description. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, keep your thumbs to yourself. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.